Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add your favorite files, application shortcuts, and folders for quick access in Windows 11. This feature helps you open the items you use most often without searching through multiple folders every time. Let's begin. First, open File Explorer by clicking on File Explorer icon on the taskbar, or simply press Windows and E from your keyboard, and this will open File Explorer. And here you will see two sections, one for quick access and one for recent items and favorite items. Now let's start by adding a file to favorite. Open any folder that contains a file you frequently use. This could be a PDF, Word, documents, Excel, spreadsheet, image, or any other supported file. Right-click the file. From the context menu, click Add to Favorite. Now return to the home page in File Explorer. You will see that the file has been added to the favorite sections. From now on, whenever you need that file, simply open File Explorer by pressing Windows and E and click it from favorite section. There is no need to browse through folder again. You can repeat the same steps for any other important files that you use regularly. Now let's add an application shortcuts. Go to your desktop or any location that contains the application shortcuts. For example, I will use a shortcut for Google Chrome. Right-click the shortcuts and choose Add to Favorite. Now go back to the home page. Go to Favorite and you will find your favorite application shortcuts. You can do the same for other application shortcuts like Microsoft Edge, VLC Media Player, or any other desktop shortcuts. Now let's pin a folder for faster access. Open the location where your folder is stored. Right-click the folder you use frequently and select Pin to Quick Access. The folder is now pinned and can be accessed anytime from the File Explorer. You can see here under Quick Access, the folder has been added. This is useful for folders like documents, folders, projects, videos, pictures, or any folder you open regularly. If you no longer want a file or application shortcuts in favorites, simply right-click it and select Remove from Favorite. This only removes the shortcuts from the favorite section. Your original files or application remains completely safe. To remove a pinned folder, right-click it, then select Unpin from Quick Access. Again, this only removes the shortcuts. The original folder is not deleted. So that's all there is to. Now you know how to add files and application shortcuts to favorites, as well as how to pin folders to quick access in Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon so you never miss the future Windows tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.